Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have our '08 Highlander. So I was driving around and the display said VSC off, TPS, it said a bunch of things, check engine light. So we're gonna see what's going on with this vehicle. Check it out, see? VSC off, check engine light, all the above. So we're gonna do the diagnostic and see. But I just changed a battery just 2 days ago, and I'm wondering if I kicked anything loose, any kind of vacuum hoses. We'll see when we come right back. Okay, so I bought this thing called a Top Scan by a company called TopDon. It's a Bluetooth connector that goes in your dash. So I'm gonna plug that in, and we're gonna use that to do the checks. My reader has found these codes right here, but I'm most interested in the engine and ECT codes. So when I click on the read DTCs, I get a bunch of misfire codes, random misfire codes, and this is usually a case of a vacuum leak. Okay, just popped the hood. Okay, let's see if we've knocked anything loose here. Down there. Here. Nothing loose. Everything seems to be in order. But usually it's a vacuum leak that causes all these issues. Okay, I followed my finger all the way down this tube, all the way down, and you can't really see it, but it's this, if you can see my finger, it's this valve that's down here. I found a hose. You can't see it. Can you see that? The hose is deteriorated to the point where it won't stay on the nipple. So follow all these little vacuum hoses and you'll find some that aren't there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim the tip of that hose with a razor blade or a knife, and I'm going to fix it. So I cut that hose off, and look how it was. It was like that. Hopefully that's our problem. It's one of these hoses here. But see, as you can see, it's connected here, and it goes all the way to the bottom. Hopefully that's the problem. Usually the problem is if it's after this is where the trouble is. But we shall see. I also noticed this hose right here is really easy to pull back and forth, and I think it might be dry rotted as well. Right here. So I don't think it's supposed to come loose that easy. At any rate, we're gonna reset the codes and see if it comes back. All right, I just cleared all the codes, and we'll see if it comes back. I know the tire pressure system will come, there it goes. I know the tire pressure system comes back because, you know, one of the sensors in the wheel is dead. So anyway, we'll see if it comes back, but this is the troubleshooting you gotta do when you have any kind of issues like this. And we'll see you next time on I Just Fix It Myself.